Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Also I want to welcome the students of 11th and 12th Science, and the topic is fundamental concept of organic chemistry. Now the part 2, that is different parts of an organic reaction. Now before that, in part 1 I told the electron movement in an organic reaction. Now here in part 2 I will explain different parts of an organic reaction. When an organic reaction carries generally covalent bond that exists in the reactant and also the product. Now there are 4 parts are present in an organic reaction. When an organic reaction proceeds, you find there are 4 parts. What are that one? First is organic molecule. This one is organic molecule, that is called substrate. Attacking reagent. Now the organic molecule and attacking reagent both will combine and gives first, that is intermediate. And after intermediate is very temporary one. And after that it gives product and byproduct. Again see, organic molecules which are called substrate, where it contains covalent bond, and attacking reagent which will react with the substrate, intermediate which is formed in the just intermediate form, means it is only a temporary one, and lastly it produces products and byproducts. See here I have written organic molecule substrate full of covalent bond, and the covalent bond may be between carbon and carbon or carbon and other atoms, and attacking reagent both will combine and gives one intermediate which is very temporary, transitory, and after that it gives product and byproduct. The products which we will use in that particular reaction, that is the main one, and byproduct which one is not so important in the particular reaction. It may be important for other reaction, but it is not so important here in this particular specific reaction, so it is called byproduct. Now what is means substrate? Substrate means the reactant. Then what is the type of reactant? Whose bonds mean, that is covalent bonds. The covalent bond which exists between carbon atoms, or between carbon and other atom. Other atom may be hydrogen, oxygen, like this, and the bonds are broken. That means in reactant the bonds are broken and new bonds are formed with the name, that is product, with the help of the attacking reagent. That means substrate is an organic neutral molecule and whose bonds are broken by the help of attacking reagent and produce new one, that is known as product and byproduct. So here the substrate means totally full of covalent bonds, and the covalent bond means here between carbon and carbon or carbon and other atom. This is called substrate. Then come to carbon bonds. That means what is mean by intermediate? The intermediate is known when, that means the carbon bonds in reactant, when they are broken and form the product, in the product new bonds are formed. In between two, one transitory step is there, or that is very reactive, that is very temporary, and that is called intermediate. Intermediate is not a permanent one. It only acts for some second form, where they are very active. They are very active, and that is called intermediate, and that is temporary. So what is attacking reagent? Attacking reagent mean the reaction are carried by the help of one active species, and that is called attacking reagent. Attacking reagent means suppose here in this example CH3Br. CH3Br is the substrate, is that reactant, that substrate, or you can say the molecule, organic molecule. And when it reacts with aqueous KOH, now this aqueous KOH is the attacking reagent. And what is the product? CH3OH and KBr. CH3OH is the main, that is why it is product, and KBr, it is not necessary in this reaction, it is not so important in this reaction, so it is called byproduct. Now here aqueous KOH is the attacking reagent. Attacking reagent are so many types, mainly 3 types. One is free radical and other one is nucleophile and electrophile. In later class I will discuss what is meant by electrophile and nucleophile. Now attacking reagent means they will attack to the substrate organic molecule, then only the reaction will carry. And here there are mainly 2 types, electrophile and nucleophile, and sometimes also free radicals also called one of the type of attacking reagent. Then come to mechanism. Then what is meant by mechanism? Mechanism means, you see, first of all, first we see the what is organic reaction. Organic reaction means the covalent bond will break, covalent bond will form. And covalent bond, how many types? One is sigma, other one is pi. One is sigma, other one is pi. What is sigma? Sigma is a strong bond. What is pi? Pi is a weak bond. How sigma bond is formed? By the head on head overlapping. Px, px, this gives sigma. And now what is pi? Pi is lateral overlapping, that is called sidewise overlapping. Py, Py, or you can say Pz, Pz, these are called pi bonds. So covalent bonds are 2 types, sigma and pi. So organic reaction starts means pi, if pi bond is present, first it will break. If pi bond is not there, then sigma bond will break. Now after the breaking and the covalent bonds, with the help of attacking reagent, it produces the products. Sometimes it has so many steps, that is called so many sequential steps, where what is the mechanism? The mechanism, it will describe in detail what it will describe: electron movement and electron movement energy, how the electron moves and how the energy involved in the breaking of the bond, in the formation of the bond. So, and also the rate of reactant to product. What is rate of reactant and to product? Rate mean here it will describe whether the reaction is slow, whether the reaction is fast. That means here a mechanism having so many sequential steps, you should see here which one is very important step, where the reaction is fast, where the reaction is slow, and what type of energy and how much energy involved in the breaking of the bond in the particular step of the reaction. And now here mechanism means it is clear. Mechanism means it is the sequential steps where the energy involved in the breaking of the bond and making of the bond, and also rate of reaction. That means which one is slow step, which one is the fast step. Generally slow step that gives the idea about the rate of the reaction. And so here again I want to say there are different parts, that is 4 parts. One is substrate, that is organic molecule, other one is attacking reagent, and third intermediate, fourth product and byproducts. Organic molecules when attacked, when it react with attacking reagent, there is some reaction takes place, later we will discuss. Then it produces intermediate, that is a very temporary one and also very active, lastly gives product and byproduct. Substrates, that means it is a neutral organic molecule where the bond is breaking and bond is formed, and here with the help of the attacking reagent. And intermediate step, that is very temporary and very active, very fast step, and here that means it gives after that it gives product. attacking reagent means it attack to the substrate organic molecule by the two types, that is, one is electrophile, another is nucleophile, and also one free radical is there. Then mechanism, this is the sequence of steps where you can describe in detail. That means here the energy involved in the breaking and forming bond and rate of the reactants to product, in how many steps, which one is fast, which one is the slow steps. I hope it is clear to you, and hope you will subscribe my channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Also you will like my channel and share also. Thanks.